Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to get free emotes in Clash Royale step by step. Let's get started. So the first way is the shop. Open the Clash Royale and go to the shop and scroll down to the emote section. Some emotes cost coins or gems, but some are completely free. Check the shop daily because the deals rotate every day. Next is the Path of Legends. Every season, if you reach Master 1, you get seasonal emotes. Reach the ultimate champion and there's another exclusive emote waiting for you. You can also get a rare emotes from global tournament. Finish in the top 50 and you can unlock one of the rarest emotes in the game. And another method is through the special challenges and events. Many limited time event reward exclusive emotes when you complete the final win. And don't forget the Trophy Road, which has emotes scattered along the journey. And the Clash Royale Store app can also give you an exclusive emotes through the points and secret codes. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.